Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge without chocolate. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, and 2/3 cup of milk. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer. Prepare an 8x8-inch pan by greasing it lightly. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process for delicious, creamy fudge. Combine the sugar, butter, and milk in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, increase the heat slightly and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking, stirring occasionally, until the temperature reaches exactly 234 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for the fudge's texture. Once the fudge mixture reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This next step is very important. Do not stir the mixture at all while it cools. Let it sit undisturbed until its temperature drops to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. After it cools, beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or an electric mixer until it loses its gloss and thickens considerably. This beating creates the fudge's characteristic smooth texture. As soon as the fudge thickens, quickly pour and spread it evenly into your greased 8x8-inch pan. Work fast, as it will set quickly. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours or until firm. Once fully set, cut the fudge into 1-inch squares. You now have delicious, creamy fudge made without chocolate, ready to enjoy. It's a simple, classic treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.